Looking to upgrade your home before the holiday rush hits? These genius Amazon gadgets are designed to save time, simplify your routine, and make everyday tasks feel effortless. From organizing to cooking to tackling small annoyances, each one adds a little convenience right where you need it. All product links are waiting for you in the description. The future of typing doesn't have to live on your screen. This little gadget projects a full laser keyboard onto any flat surface, so you can type wherever you are. You connect it to your phone, tablet, or laptop in seconds, and it instantly turns your desk, table, or even a notebook into a working keypad. The keys light up clearly, and the QWERTY layout feels surprisingly natural once you start using it. With a long-lasting rechargeable battery, you get plenty of typing time without hunting for a charger. Laundry doesn't have to take over your whole home. This compact dryer gives you the power of a full machine in a small, lightweight body you can place almost anywhere. You open the wide door, load your clothes, and choose the setting that matches your fabrics. Warm for everyday items, hot for bigger loads, or air dry when you need something gently refreshed. It runs quietly, so you can keep chatting or sleeping without disturbance. Ever wish your bathroom could stay tidy without any effort? This smart little organizer sticks right onto your mirror or wall and instantly clears up all the clutter. You can store your toothbrush, toothpaste, jewelry, watches, and small accessories in one easy-to-reach spot. The adhesive mount means you just press it on. No drilling, no damage, perfect for rentals. With its sleek metal design, it stays sturdy, resists moisture, and keeps your space looking clean and modern. Sometimes you just need a little glow that makes you smile. This squishy Panda Light gives you soft, cozy brightness and doubles as a stress relief toy you can poke, squeeze, or tap. You control everything with a simple touch. Turn it on, dim it, or set a gentle timer for bedtime. The warm light helps kids fall asleep without fear of the dark, and the built-in battery lets you carry it around anywhere. Safe, soft, and irresistibly cute, it adds instant charm to any room. If your room needs a little magic, this diffuser delivers it in the coolest way. It releases a gentle mist scented with your favorite oils, while a glowing jellyfish display drifts inside, giving your space a calm, underwater vibe. You can switch colors, set a timer, or control everything from across the room with the remote. It shuts off automatically when the water runs out, so you never have to worry. Quiet, soothing, and decorative, it fills your space with fragrance and soft light all at once. If your cables always end up in a tangled, frayed mess, this little silicone wrap makes life so much easier. It slips over your charger to protect it from drops, scratches, and dirt, while giving you a built-in spot to neatly wind your cord. The soft material keeps everything looking clean without overheating, and it's washable if it ever gets dusty. Lightweight and easy to toss in a bag, it keeps your setup organized on the go. Simple, tidy, and way more durable than leaving your charger unprotected. If you're tired of keeping track of tiny locker keys, this fingerprint padlock keeps everything simple. Just tap your thumb and it unlocks instantly. No codes, no keys, nothing to lose. The setup takes seconds, and the rechargeable battery warns you with a quick flash when it's running low. Its compact metal build feels sturdy without adding weight to your bag. Clean, modern, and easy to carry, it's a smart upgrade from old-school locks. This cute mini fridge keeps your skincare and makeup cool, fresh, and ready to use. It's just 31 liters, small enough for a bedroom, dorm, or vanity desk, so it fits where a normal fridge would be too bulky. It even has a sterilization function to help keep your products clean and hygienic. The fun character-themed design adds a playful vibe to your space while keeping your beauty stash organized. Give your walls some life and color with this clever planter. This wall-mounted pot turns any blank wall into a mini garden, perfect for small plants like succulents or herbs. The hidden drip tray keeps water from messing up your walls or floor, so you don't have to worry about leaks or stains. Because it mounts right to the wall, it saves space and makes your room feel greener without needing a windowsill. It's a simple, stylish way to turn bare walls into leafy decor. If you love adding little touches of personality to journals, notes, or photos, this tiny sticker printer is such a fun upgrade. It connects wirelessly to your phone, prints without ink, and comes with multiple rolls so you can start creating right away. The app lets you tweak print density for cleaner lines and sharper images, giving you way more control over your designs. It's lightweight, super quick to set up, and perfect for on-the-go creativity. Great for DIY projects, study notes, or capturing memories in a cute, instant way. Charging your devices doesn't have to feel like wrestling a pile of cables. This clever 7-in-1 station gives you one clean spot where everything powers up at the same time. You can drop your phone, earbuds, and watch on the wireless pads while the extra ports handle anything wired. A built-in clock syncs with your phone through Bluetooth, keeping the time perfectly accurate without setup. And the soft ambient light makes your nightstand feel calm and organized. Some gadgets just make you smile the moment you turn them on. This retro-style speaker lights up with bright pixel art that you can change right from an app. You can pick a design, create your own, or let the animation bounce along with your music. The speaker itself sounds full and clear, making games, study sessions, or chill time a lot more fun. And with built-in alarms and sleep sounds, it doubles as a cute little helper on your desk or nightstand. Kids light up when a toy feels like magic, and this little drawing robot does exactly that. It listens to simple voice commands and shows your child how to draw step by step. The cards make it easy to follow along, turning animals, food, and everyday shapes into fun mini lessons. Music keeps the mood playful while they practice focus and fine motor skills. And with the full set of pens, cards, and a reusable board, kids can start creating the moment they open the box. Waking up can actually be fun with this playful alarm clock. It shows cute emoji expressions that change when your child interacts with it. 2 separate alarms let kids set their own wake-up times, with different ringtones and volume levels. The warm nightlight glows softly and can be voice-activated, so no more fear of the dark. Plus, the gentle snooze feature helps them start the day calmly, making mornings cheerful instead of stressful. Say goodbye to messy soap bottles with this adorable touchless dispenser. It senses your hands automatically and gives you just the right amount of foam every time. You can adjust the soap output across 3 levels, so nothing goes to waste. Splash-proof and easy to place on a countertop or wall, it fits perfectly in bathrooms, kitchens, or even offices. Cute, hygienic, and practical, it makes washing hands a little more fun every day. Scrolling, snapping, and controlling your device has never been this easy. This tiny remote lets you swipe through TikTok, turn pages on reading apps, or snap photos without touching your screen. You can play music, answer calls, and even pause videos, all with a click. Its compact design makes it perfect to carry anywhere, from cozy reading spots to group selfies. Hands-free convenience meets full control, making your phone or tablet experience smoother than ever. Bring a mini jet engine to your desk with this sleek Turbofan fan. It spins like a real aircraft engine, complete with a glowing red tail flame that adds style to any room. Turn it on, and it doubles as a humidifier, spraying a fine mist to freshen the air around you. You can adjust the airflow to suit your needs, from a gentle breeze to a stronger gust. It's a fun mix of science, design, and practicality that makes your workspace feel futuristic. Tension in your neck and shoulders melts away with this compact massager. It mimics real hands, kneading deep into sore muscles while soothing warmth boosts circulation. Lightweight and wireless, you can use it anywhere, at home, at work, or even on the go. The heat and massage combo helps reduce stiffness and tiredness after long hours sitting or standing. It's a thoughtful gift that brings instant relaxation and comfort to anyone's day. Meet EMO, your new AI desk buddy that's more than just a gadget. It listens, talks, and even understands you thanks to built-in ChatGPT technology. Tell it to dance along with your favorite tunes or play interactive games via the companion app. You can pet it, shake it, and care for it like a tiny robot friend that reacts to the world around it. When it's tired, EMO heads back to its charging station all on its own, ready for more fun. Turn any room into a cozy music spot with this portable vinyl speaker. It plays your favorite tunes through Bluetooth, AUX, or even a memory card, giving you flexibility for every mood. 3 lighting modes set the perfect vibe, while soft surround sound makes it feel like the music wraps around you. Lightweight and easy to carry, you can move it from bedroom to party in seconds. It's a stylish way to enjoy music, relax, or entertain with friends. Wake up naturally with this sunrise alarm clock that doubles as a nightlight. It gently brightens like morning sunlight while your favorite sound plays, from birdsong to ocean waves. You can set 2 separate alarms, adjust the volume, and even choose from 15 soothing sounds to fall asleep peacefully. The moon-shaped light adds a cozy glow to any room, and the snooze button gives you a few extra minutes of rest. It's a calm, stylish way to start and end your day. Turn any party into a chocolate lover's dream with this 4-tier fountain. Pour in chocolate, cheese, or even sauces, and watch them cascade beautifully over each level. Dip strawberries, marshmallows, pretzels, or veggies for a tasty treat everyone will love. It's easy to set up, and cleaning is a breeze when the fun is over. Elegant, fun, and versatile, this fountain instantly becomes the centerpiece of any celebration. Charge your devices faster than ever with this robot charger. It powers iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, and even AirPods quickly, going from 0 to half charge in just 30 minutes. The cute robot design adds personality, while the LED screen shows real-time charging status. Compact and foldable, it fits perfectly in your bag for travel or at your desk. Stylish, functional, and fast, this charger is perfect for anyone on the go. Turn your room into a playful jungle with this giant King Kong inflatable sofa. Hug it, lounge on it, or game in ultimate comfort. This oversized gorilla seat supports over 660 pounds. Crafted with plush faux mink, it's soft, durable, and impossible to ignore. Perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or just showing off, this quirky statement piece brings fun, comfort, and wow factor to any space. Keep your fridge fresh and organized with these clever fruit and veggie savers. Designed to fit half an avocado, tomatoes, lemons, and more, each container seals tightly to lock in freshness. The fun, food-shaped design makes it easy to identify your ingredients, while durable food-grade materials ensure long-term use. Perfect for reducing waste, saving space, and taking snacks on the go. Smart, simple, and super practical for any kitchen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.